do you want to do first?
Oh, I don't know. We're just gonna experiment with this tree first.
Already on.
I don't know, we might cut it up real quick and then. This freaking helmet is so heavy.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Because you're safety, Michael.
I am safety.
Good job, Michael.
Ugh. See. That's on. Choke.
Hit the throttle. What I would do is those things hit the throttle and then. So hit the throttle all the way, wide open, all the way down. That's forward. See, does that have a primer? It doesn't. I don't think it does. Just keep pulling. Should be good.
All right, my arm's getting tired,
Let's
Seth.
also do the foot version.
You start pulling. My arm's tired.
We were not slacking. This is what happens when a chainsaw is a chainsaw. They never run.
Wait, what did you do, Seth?
It's broken. I didn't do anything. It was all Michael.
Seth, come here.
What?
Come here.
What?
Yep, kill.
No.
Yes.
No, Michael. Okay, trust me. This is what holds on that. See? Also, you put that back in there. Actually, supposed to do that for theoretically for following the correct manual rules.
He's a bitch.
You want to go, Michael?
Did you spill that gas?
Yeah. I spilled some gas. What do you think about this, Michael?
Fucking piece of shit.
Want to go back to AIH yet? Or are you too manly?
Yeah.
Here's protection. Click in. Just push.
Oh! Much better, Seth!
Here, go look like a badass. Also, because those don't protect your eyes very well.
Put all the... I'm not wearing those.
You gotta. Come on.
Why?
Because those do not protect your eyes.
But what about the freaking... Oh my god, Seth. Oh my gosh. Hey, get... It's